time to honor our Teachers of the Week this week, and we have two fabulous teachers. First from Ascension Catholic, Miss Rebecca Wild, and from St. John, it's Rachel Williams. And guys, thank you so very much. Congratulations on the award. Your principals, again, we're very excited to be able to give these to you. And first, I turn to Miss Wild. What do you teach, and maybe something that makes teaching interesting and fun?
Well, this year I teach algebra, biology, biology 2, and chemistry. And what makes science fun for me is all the experiments that we do. I do as many hands-on experience as we can.
It's got to make learning fun for the guys, for the kids. And Miss Williams, how about yourself?
This year I teach AP Calculus, Advanced Math 1 and 2, and Algebra 2. And what I love about teaching is seeing that light bulb go off whenever they get the "I got it" face. It's all the reward I need.
I never got that light bulb for the AP Calculus. It never went on. Ladies, thank y'all so very much. We appreciate all the hard work you guys do in the classrooms. And again, thank you for being our Teachers of the Week. Again, brought to you by Crown Trophy and Cox Business.
Call the Jim Hogg Group today at 225-205-1084 or drop Jim an email at jimhoggroup@cox.net.